Hey guys, it's Terry. Welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. Today I am doing my Glamour jewelry box. I actually have two to do, so you may see a couple videos within a few days of each other because I'm a little behind, but I did want to go ahead and get this done. So Glamour jewelry box, let's get through the deets before we see the jewelry. So you get 3 pieces of jewelry for $29.99. If you use my code TERRI, T-E-R-R-I, you will get a 4th piece of jewelry free with your first subscription. Something I found out, I didn't realize you can actually skip a month. So if you want to do this and then you financially are having a tough month, you can go into your account and you can skip that month so you're not going to get charged. Also, there is a 30-day return, or like if something breaks or is broken, like a 30-day guarantee on all of the jewelry. This is fun fashion jewelry, and they curate a collection of 3 pieces, and they vary between gold and silver and rose gold tones, not true rose gold and silver, ladies, but for $29.99 you're not going to get real silver, real gold, that kind of thing, but the tones. So I have gotten all, and I really love all of the jewelry. Some of my favorite pieces have come from this collection, or from this box, and it looks like we got Santorini Collection this time. It says the Santorini Collection is delicate pieces inspired by vacation dreams. These chic favorites will be the perfect addition to your summer look, and since we can't go to the Greek Isles right now, we're bringing Santorini to you. Very, very exciting. So you did get a little card. And there should be like individual cards in here too on each piece. Yeah, here they are. And we have our jewelry, so let's get cracking. I took all of my jewelry off so that we can try things on and give you guys a look-see. Okay, so the first thing I'm seeing I love. I got silver this month. You guys know that I like dangly earrings, and oh, these are so pretty. So they are almost like a hammered oval or teardrop shape, and then they have a bar hanging in the middle, but you can kind of see how the teardrop is sort of like a hammered silver look. Those are gorgeous, gorgeous. And I was just saying this morning that I really like when I wear black to wear, I like gold too, but to wear silver with black, and I wear gold with more warmer colors like brown. So those are really gorgeous. I don't even think you need a close-up. I am using a new app, so I don't know that I'm going to be able to do the close-up because it doesn't have all the same features to record, but my other one crashed, and I'm in communication since I paid for that app to see what's going on, but currently I am not able to use it. So, oh, look at that. So I'll try to come in and stand up and get close to you guys so you can see, but I think you can see that pretty well. All right, I think we need, oh, let me tell you what these are called. Okay. They're called the Fira earrings, F-I-R-A, and they are $26. It says the Fira earrings are a classic hoop with a contemporary twist, ready for whatever is on your schedule. Agree. Totally love these. These are beauteous. Beauteous, I tell you. All right, now we need a necklace. So let's get here into this silver necklace. I can see a little bling on it. Hope I can get it out. It doesn't want to come out. And as I am filming here today, I am waiting for news. My grandbaby is coming. She is in labor, and the baby is coming today. So, all right. Ooh, this is beautiful. This is a layered piece. So the first layer has a delicate kind of circle but diamond cut with little balls. I really like that layer. It's gorgeous. And see how that light hits it and it sparkles? It's going to do that when you wear it. And then when you come up, you get this beautiful, beautiful center diamond with little halo of diamonds around it. This is stunning. It's beautiful. It does have an extender as well right here, so you can make it longer or shorter. Let's see if I can get this on. And then I'm just going to stand up and kind of come in close since my app's being a butt. All right, let's see what we got here. Okay, I think I got it. Yep. I just want to untangle these and make sure that they're laying properly. I also have something in my throat driving me nuts. All right, But here we go. Those are really beautiful together. We'll see how they do with getting tangled, but they're beautiful. They're absolutely stunning. I really like both of them. Hopefully you guys can see that okay, and it's not getting fuzzy. It's really a beautiful, beautiful set. So I'm loving that and the earrings. And then the final, oh, let me tell you the price of the necklace. So the earrings were $26. The necklace is the Nessa Necklace, and it says, beautifully eye-catching, the Nessa Necklace is a piece that features a hint of sparkle with a classic round pendant. A one-step layered look makes this necklace easy to pair with many of your favorite looks, and it's $27. I agree. I think a necklace and earrings amps up your look so, so much. You know, if you're wearing something really crazy and busy and a lot going on, you may want to go with a little bit of a simpler style. If you're wearing a solid, you know, you can wear statement items, you can wear fun colors, and but regardless, if you have solid jewelry like, you know, solid silver gold or rose gold, you can literally wear that with anything, which is cool. So our final piece is a necklace, and that seems to be, I don't get rings. I don't remember them asking my ring size, but they may have when I signed up. And I, just so you guys know, I did not pay for this. This is sent complimentary through Glamour Jewelry, and I do a video for them, and they send me these each month so I can show you guys and offer you a code. But I love all the jewelry that I'm getting from them. So this is gorgeous. This is the Kamari Beach Bracelet. I'm going to bring it in. Playful and sophisticated, the Kamari Beach Bracelet is sure to become your new favorite. What we love most about the gorgeous bracelet is the two beautiful strands and the ultra popular adjustable tie, making it an effortless statement piece. Retail is $26. So, and I agree, I think this is really beautiful, and it sort of mimics the double layer here, and now we have a double layer bracelet. So I'm just going to sort of bring this in so you guys can see it. Is this, I think that's just the, yeah. Oh, okay, no, so it goes like this. So it's got a box chain with just a little circular thing, and then it's got the beautiful crystals in there on the second layer. So I'm going to put this on my left hand if I can, because I'm right-handed, and so I want to be able to, I might need to use my teeth. I want to be able to not have it aggravate me. Well, having a little trouble with the tie. Oh, there we go. Kind of. I got it halfway done. There we go. All right, and it does give me a little bit of wiggle room so that I can make it a little tighter or a little bit looser. Oh, that's not gonna stay, that little thing, but I just want you to be able to see it for the thing. So this one, I may not keep this. I may give this as a gift. It's beautiful, and I really, really love it. But this is too long. It's just my wrists are so tiny. So this can fit a very large wrist, which is really nice. And a lot of people don't mind that hanging. It's just like extra jewelry sort of just dangling. But for me, it gets caught in things, and I literally have child-sized wrists. I usually have to special order my bracelets. So a lot of times, unless they're like stretchy beaded bracelets or a cuff that I can squish, or like this usually works if I can get it so that, you know, it's tight and it's not too long, but that's a lot of extra. So this is really pretty, but I may pass that along. Very, very beautiful though. Absolutely gorgeous. So those are our 3 pieces from Glamour Jewelry Box. I really, really enjoyed it. I hope you guys did too. I will see you guys in the next video, and I'll have my link for Glamour Jewelry Box below. Remember to use my code TERRI so you get a 4th piece when you join. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Subscribe. I'll see you again. Bye, guys.